Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me using drugstore products. So I've already done my brows. I did use the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the color dark brown, along with putting on top of it the Maybelline Brown Precise Fiber Volumizer in medium brown. So that's all that I've done so far. Now for my primer, what I'm going to be using is a fan favorite, which is the Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. I honestly don't remember who it was that originally talked about this. It might have been Nikki Tutorials. And then, of course, it was the whole rave for a long time. And then everybody just kind of stopped using it. But it works. So I'm going to be using it today. Because I'm really going to be using kind of some products that you can wear during the warmer weather, so it's not going to be a whole lot of makeup, just enough to cover the face, make me look presentable, that kind of thing. Alright, so now that I've got the primer on, the foundation that I will be using today, because like I said, we're going with a lightweight kind of look, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. Mine is in the color Honey Beige. I'm just going to be using a beauty blender. Well, mine's the Physicians Formula. Is it Physicians Formula? Who is it that? No, it's not Physician Formula. I don't remember who it is, but it's not. It's the drugstore kind of brand. Alright, and for concealer, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the color Light Pale. Alright, and then I'm going to be using for contour the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick. This is in the color Where's Walnut. Alright, and then I am going to set under the eyes just a little bit here. This is with the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in color Silk Beige. I'm just going to set the face a little bit with that. I'm using the Powder Puff Blush, Powder Puff here. Alright, and to bronze with, using the Butter Bronzer in a deep, I guess it's, yeah, this is just the deep bronzer. I'm actually getting ready to go to a doctor's appointment, which I'm dreading because it is storming outside and I hate to drive in the rain. It is like causing me severe anxieties. Alright, and the blush that I'm going to be using, I'm actually using two. I'll be using the e.l.f. Candid Coral along with the Wet n Wild Baked Blush in the color Hummingbird Hype. I'm going to be using this as a topper because it's so sparkly and shiny. Now the Candid Coral also has like a little bit of shine to it as well, but not as much. This is just going to give that perfect peach color to the skin. And then for highlighter, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. This is in the color Precious Petals. Alright. Alright, and then for my eyes, I am going to be using the Wet n Wild palette. This is in the Comfort Zone. Now they have come out with a newer palette of this that gives a little more colors, I believe, but I still had the original, so that's the one I'll be using today. Alright, and now I'm going to be using the Jessie's Girl liquid liner in dark brown. Also, we'll be using the NYX Professional Makeup Slide On, Glide On, Stay On. Definitely a turn on waterproof extreme shine liner in the color Brown Perfection. Alright, and the mascara I will be using is the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara in black. And I will be setting with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. Alright, and then for my last thing is my lip color. I will be using the Wet n Wild Wicked Pink Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. This was in their spring collection, the Gothogram, or Hologoth, or whatever it was. Alright, so here's my finished look using only drugstore products. I think what I will do next is I will make a video of all of my favorite drugstore items, so that way you have an idea of some things that you could purchase at the drugstore without having to spend big bucks on some looks. So I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you will be reminded the next time I upload. You have a great day, and thanks for watching.